Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can emit a sprite from a particle system. Let's get right into it. So the first step is you need to import a sprite into Unity. So drag and drop your sprite into Unity. And for the import settings, make sure your texture type is Sprite 2D and UI. For sprite mode, you're going to want to set it to be single. And for mesh type, you want to make sure it's full rect. Once you've done that, click on Apply. Now we need to make a particle system, so right click in for Hierarchy, go to Effects, then go to Particle System. Then you want to scroll down in your particle system, and you're going to see a section called Texture Sheet Animation. I want you to click on it. Then open it up, and for mode, I want you to click on the grid drop down, and select Sprites. Now, you're going to see a field for a sprite. Drag and drop your sprite into here. And as you can see, your particle system is now emitting a single sprite. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.